Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. A beautiful shot at Outdoor Resorts Indio. Isn't that something? It's about 55 degrees, 9 a.m. Pacific. The other day, there were some hot air balloons flying right over this area. A beautiful setting here in Indio, California. Starting the season off, Marathon is down here. And so am I. I'm going to turn it around so you can see it's me. Good morning, everyone. I did have my steady cam ready for you, but for some reason I couldn't get it to work properly with the audio, and I didn't want to fall on my face, literally or figuratively. So here I am. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for watching and hanging out with me. I'm going to show you Coach 825, which is a great value for a marathon coach. It's a 2004 double slide. And then I'm going to attempt to ride my Pedigo around the park here and show you a little bit. So stick with that. That could be interesting and entertaining, especially because I've never done that before. So I'm going to walk this way. Sounds like a Run DMC Aerosmith song. Coach 825. We're going to go in here and I'm going to show you one of the best values in a marathon coach. 2004, one owner, H3 double slide. We're going to go in here first before we take a look around the park. Beautiful hardwood floors all the way through this coach. Jackknifing sofa on the driver's side, dinette on the curb side. One of the things that you might remember, we did do a video of this before. It does have a TV right here. There we go. I'm gonna put that back up. But I wanted to show you the other facing TV. If you're in the salon, you also have this TV, everybody. The curio cabinet. You push a button and it reveals another option. So you can have the TV on or the game on right there. And then you can just move the TV away and it's a curio cabinet. And it's actually a curio cabinet. That cabinet does open up. And you can change out your decor or work on your decor or whatever you want to put in there. Split galley in this coach. Lots of storage in this one. Over on the driver's side, it's got these massive drawers down here. This is where the cooktop is and the Advantium 120, the GE profile convection microwave oven. And there's the refrigerator. Good storage on both sides of the galley. Dinette table with chairs. A big occasional table next to a single recliner. 2004 Marathon, one owner, still has the glassware in it, which was an item of its era, but really great to see all of the glass, gold etched glassware still in it. S-curve of the floor plan takes you into the water closet. Pocket door here shutting off the commode area, which also has a sink, but also a separate sink with a lot of counter space. That's really a nice area right there. Good storage above and below, and a big shower right here. Into the bedroom, you've got washer dryer over here on the left-hand side. That's the curb side. And on the driver's side, a big closet here. When you open it up, a light comes on. There you go. Queen bed in this coach, you guys. Can it be altered to be a king? Absolutely. You see how much space is on each side. Marathon service departments can take care of that. Storage above, and then a very large closet. I'll just open one side here, but actually let's open up both sides here. That'll make it even better for you. You can see it's got hanging bars and some cabinetry, TV behind cabinetry, and of course storage. The hardwoods throughout are really nice too. That's a nice update to this coach. So if you're looking to upgrade, if you're looking to finally move from an RV to a bus conversion, this might be a good option for you. 2004 double slide H3 Marathon. Cockpit's really nice. Leather is in great shape. All of the leather wrapped walls are in good shape. It's just a really nice coach. One owner, lots of records, lots of work has been done. And in the bays, I'm not necessarily going to show them to you today, but there's a very large cabinetry closet right here. And a slide out in bay 2. Isn't that nice? Sean Esser, I see your question. I'm not able to see all the questions, you guys, but Sean's asking, where am I filming from? I am at the Marathon lot at Outdoor Resorts, Indio, right on Avenue 48, literally across the street from Motor Coach Country Club. And I'm going to hop on my bike and just to give you a little point of reference, right there, what you see, you guys, is the clubhouse. That's the main clubhouse. To your left is the entry. It's a long entry. We'll write up there so I can show it to you, but it's the large entry to Outdoor Resorts Indio. This is a very beautiful park, well maintained, with a great group of people in here. And this is how close Marathon's lot is to it. I want to send a shout out to the Pedigo dealer down here in La Quinta. At Old Town La Quinta, there is a Pedigo dealer. And if you don't know what a Pedigo is, as Pete Sutton would say, it's the Rolls-Royce of electric bikes. And he convinced me to rent a Pedigo to get around the parks, and I'm enjoying doing it. Gets me out. It's a little bit different than a golf cart, you guys, because it's really giving me the opportunity to interact with people, and we're going to see just how this goes. So here's the beautiful clubhouse. Here's the entry to the park through the security gates. And I'm just going to kind of take you around a little bit and show you this really nice park on Avenue 48 in Indio. As you know, Marathon Coach has quite the history with outdoor resorts. There's a good looking Marathon right there. Pickleball going on. In the current state that we're living in, COVID, everybody trying to be careful. Socializing at the park has changed a little bit, as you can imagine. People are being more careful. Not a lot of public events, not a lot of large events. And so people are wearing masks whenever they interact with people. Some nice coaches over here. I see a marathon right in front of us. There's a couple of marathons right around this corner. There's another one right here on our left. Looking good. Looks like it's been recently waxed and or polished. It sure is nice. Thank you, Gerald, for saying it's a beautiful park. It really is. And it's an honor to come down here and represent Marathon and show off the beautiful coaches. We're gonna have about 3 coaches at one time down here, everybody. Right now, we're going to have Coach 1262. Thanks, you guys. I appreciate it. Email me. Let me know what's going on. Let me know if you're looking to get into a marathon. Malw, M-A-L-W, at marathoncoach.com. All right, everybody. Be yourself and do good things. Take care.